In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Inbox in Xero. Uploading files to your Xero inbox is a simple but powerful way to keep all your documents organized and ready to attach to bills, invoices, and other transactions. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and that you're in the right organization. At the top left of your Xero dashboard, you'll see the organization name. This area is important because it tells you exactly which company file you're working in. If you manage more than one organization in Xero, it's easy to accidentally end up in the wrong one, so take a quick moment to double check the name there. Once you've confirmed you're in the correct organization, you're ready to move on. Next, from this same top section, look for the option labeled Files. Depending on your layout and permissions, this might appear in a menu or in the navigation bar near the top. Go ahead and click on Files. This is where Xero stores all the documents you upload, including what will go into the inbox. When the Files page opens, you'll see an area dedicated to your inbox. This is like a holding area for documents that you intend to use later, such as receipts, supplier invoices, or other supporting files. To add new documents here, look for the option that says Upload Files to Inbox. Click on that. After you click Upload Files to Inbox, Xero will prompt you to choose files from your computer or device. A standard file chooser window will open, allowing you to browse to the folder where your documents are saved. Select the files you want to upload. You can usually select more than one at a time, which is handy if you're catching up on a backlog of paperwork. Once you've selected your files, confirm the selection in the file chooser. Xero will start uploading them to your inbox. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the files, this can take a few moments. When the upload is complete, you'll see your documents listed in the inbox area of the Files page. From here, your files are safely stored in Xero and ready to be attached to transactions whenever you need them. That's all it takes to upload files to Inbox in Xero.